Two powerful platforms, Airtable and Aha.io, are changing the way teams manage projects. But when it comes down to it, which one actually makes your workflow smoother? On one side, we have Airtable, known for its flexible spreadsheet meets database approach. On the other, Aha, the specialist in product road mapping and strategy. Today, we're testing both across real-life scenarios, collaboration, customization, integrations, pricing, and more. Forget the marketing claims. Let's break down what really matters to your team. Each area gets a score, and by the end, you'll know exactly which platform takes the lead. And trust me, the winner might surprise you. Let's get into it. So, here's the plan. We're going to stack these two across some must-know categories: pricing, features and customization, usability, integrations, reporting and analytics, and of course, use case fit. Think of it like our mental checklist. Makes the whole comparison way less overwhelming, trust me. Let's kick things off with pricing. Airtable starts off all friendly with a free tier, and honestly, that's a big deal, especially if you're just testing the waters or, let's be real, on a budget. But keep in mind, it can sneakily rack up costs if you grow into those enterprise tiers. Ahaha, on the other hand, offers you a 14-day trial so you can poke around and see what's up, but there's no real free plan. And their lowest tier pricing? It's definitely not pocket change. So in the wallet wars, Airtable kinda takes it, but only if you don't outgrow the freebies. Now, features and customization. Airtable basically lets you go wild, customize databases, create different views, even throw in automations. It's like a playground for organizers. Downside? The super cool stuff like deeper automations can require add-ons. Also, if you want a real product roadmap, well, you'll have to improvise. Meanwhile, Aha.io feels super tailored for product people. You've got roadmap templates, built-in release planning, and even a portal for letting customers drop their ideas. But it can feel a little rigid for folks who like tinkering. Airtable, with its Swiss Army knife vibes, nudges just ahead here. Let's talk usability. Both of these are, honestly, pretty nice to use, so I'm not going to pretend there's a clear winner. Airtable has that classic drag-and-drop color-coded feel, so even your least techie teammate can figure it out. But if you build a monster system, newbies might drown a little. Aha.io guides you step-by-step on all the product-y workflows, so it's great if you want direction, and it's super powerful once you're in the groove. But again, there's a learning wall at the start, so yeah, this one's a toss-up. Both get gold stars for usability, just with DOS-up. Both get gold stars for usability, just with different learning curves. Oh, and here's something cool you probably didn't know. Airtable? It actually started as a YC startup called Formagrid all the way back in 2012. Kind of wild, right? Shows how a little pivot can launch something huge. Integrations. Okay, this is where Airtable kind of flexes. It plugs into just about everything. Slack, Google, Zapier, you name it. OpenAPI too, if you want to get nerdy. Although, if you're just sticking to native integrations, you might find yourself wishing for more, and you'll probably end up reaching for third-party tools anyway. Aha.io is solid though. It's tied in tight with Jira, Slack, dev platforms, and offers SSO, which is super nice if you're in a bigger company. But just not as many integrations overall, so Airtable's versatility wins here. Reporting and analytics. Oh man, this is where the tables turn. Airtable is, let's be honest, pretty basic on the reporting side. Like, it'll summarize and dashboard, but if you want rich analytics, you won't find them here. With Aha.io, it's a total upgrade, deep dive charts, fancy roadmaps, feature tracking, all built in. Although the fancier analytics do live behind higher priced tiers, so you gotta pay to play. But for the real data hounds, Aha.io takes the win, hands down. Alright, use case fit. Here's where things get crystal clear. If you're a team that just needs flexible project stuff, maybe your marketing, ops, content, Airtable is like a magic box. But if you're really trying to run product management, track releases, get customer input, the whole 9 yards, Aha.io is built for you. It's almost too specialized for simple lists and tasks, but if you're serious about product workflows, this is the one. So, Aha.io nabs this category. Alright, let's step back for a sec. If you mount all these categories on a radar chart, you'd see Airtable sweeping up on flexibility, integrations, and price, while Aha.io spikes way up in analytics and those all-important product management features. Both have strengths, it's just about what lines up with your needs. So here's my honest take. If you need a tool that adapts to anything, marketing, project tracking, whatever, Airtable is a solid pick, easy to roll out, kinda fun to use. But if product management is your actual world and you care about advanced planning, customer feedback, and seeing the big picture, Aha.io is the powerhouse you want. Horses for courses, right? Both are great, but they're not meant for the same jobs. Did this help you make up your mind? If you want more SaaS head-to-heads like this, definitely stick around. There's a bunch more where that came from, and next time we'll put a new set of tools under the microscope. Catch you in the next one.